Cut a kitchen towel in half and soak it in the mixture. Once I learned this trick, I started doing it too. First, take a roll of paper towels and cut it in half using a sharp knife. Next, prepare a large jar and line it with a plastic sandwich bag to make it easier to use later. Place 1/2 of the paper towel roll inside the jar. Now, it's time to make the disinfecting solution. Pour 100 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol into a glass container and then pour it over the paper towels. Next, add 100 milliliters of water to the container as well. Close the bag and let it sit for a few minutes so the towels can fully absorb the liquid. After that, remove the cardboard tube from the center. Now, you can easily pull out individual wipes as needed. These homemade disinfecting wipes are perfect for the bathroom. Use them to quickly wipe down the sink, faucet, and even sanitize the toilet seat. It's a simple yet highly effective solution that helps keep your bathroom clean and fresh in seconds.